Welcome to Divine Feminine Wellness. This is your space for healing your feminine energy and feminine body. These affirmations are here to support you on your journey with PCOS. As you listen, breathe deeply and let each word sink into your mind, body, and spirit. You are not alone, and your body is capable of balance, healing, and harmony. As I speak these affirmations, repeat them back to yourself in your mind or out loud. Before repeating, let's clear your subconscious mind with a deep breath in. Deep breath in and release. Let's begin our affirmation session. I honor my body and its unique needs. Healing is a journey, and I trust the process. My hormones are balancing with every breath I take. I am kind to myself and support my body with care and compassion. I am patient with my body as it restores itself back into harmony. I release frustration and embrace progress, no matter how small. My body is strong, resilient, and always working in my favor. My hormones are balancing naturally and effortlessly. I release excess testosterone and welcome balance into my system. My reproductive system is healthy and vibrant. I trust my ovaries to function at their best, producing the right levels of hormones. I nourish my body with love and choices that promote wellness. My skin is clear, calm, and radiant as my hormones balance. I celebrate my feminine energy and feel confident in my body. Every organ in my body is working in harmony to support my health. My blood sugar levels are stable and balanced. I enjoy foods that energize me and support my wellness journey. My body processes glucose efficiently and effectively. I am mindful of my food choices, and they nourish me deeply. I hydrate my body, keeping it balanced and refreshed. I feel calm and clear, knowing my blood sugar is regulated. My energy levels are steady, and I feel vibrant throughout the day. Each meal I eat supports my journey towards health and balance. My hormones are calming and my body is coming into balance. My hair grows only in areas as it's meant to grow, and my skin is smooth and glowing. I trust my body to regulate excess androgens naturally. My liver is detoxifying and balancing my hormones. I release any shame and embarrassment about my appearance and replace it with self-love. I am beautiful, radiant, and confident in my feminine energy. I celebrate the progress my body is making one day at a time. I am resilient and my body reflects the care I give it. I let go of stress and welcome peace into my life. I am not defined by PCOS. I am so much more. I honor my emotions and allow myself space to feel and heal. I am supported, loved, and understood on this journey. I release fear and replace it with hope and positivity. My mind is calm, my spirit is light, and my heart is open to healing. I am whole, worthy, and deserving of health and happiness. My body is healing, restoring, and aligning with every breath. I trust my body and its incredible ability to find balance. I celebrate the progress I am making, no matter how small. I am grateful for my resilience and strength on this journey. Every day, I am closer to vibrant health and harmony. I love my body, and my body loves me in return. I thank my body for everything it does to support me. I am at peace. This concludes your affirmation session for supporting PCOS. Continue to listen to this affirmation session every day for 21 days to support you along your healing journey. Thank yourself for showing up today.